Good morning, student. How are you? Thank you. Sit down. I am also fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. At first, I introduce you with you that I am Tohidul Islam Tohid, Assistant English Teacher, Dhalsa Pairi Hazrat Umar Farooq Dakhil Madrasa, and my own village is Nafarkandi. I discuss with you about the four skill in English language. There are four skill in English language: numbering, speaking, and listening. But in our country, that means in Bangladesh, we discuss mainly two skill are always discussed and learning in our country. That means reading and writing. Most of the student learn by heart or reading and write something of her exam hall. That means writing and get a good mark. It is the process of learning English in our country. But other country where are taught English, they emphasize or focus the two skill. That means speaking and listening. But in our country, we see that uh, about before of 6 year old, a boy or child can speak Bangla fluently or thoroughly because he can learn speaking and listening of his home, and he learned it his father, mother, brother, sister, neighbor, or friend. Because they are speaking Bangla, so he follow it and learn in Bangla easily. And they did not know how to read and write, but they can speaking and listening because they taught at home in Bangla language. That means speaking and listening. But our language is Bangla, so it is very easy to learn for our environment. But in English language, very difficult to learn. For me, speaking and listening is here absent. So we can learn English. We emphasize our two skill always, speaking and listening. How can we emphasize in this two skill? Such as we can dialogue each other. That means classmate, teacher, friend, and other person. If you practice the dialogue, you can easily speaking English. Such as a dialogue between two friends about importance of learning English, upcoming the SSC exam or Dakhil exam or annual exam, patient and doctor and customer and manager, etc. In this way, a student or any other person can learn speaking. In this way, in a speaking language, there are need ask some question, such as what is your name, what about the topics. That means you learn at first how can you make a question. There are some way we can learn ask question, such as interrogative sentence. There are making question, we need verb. Verb primary two kind. One is primary auxiliary and other is modal auxiliary. Primary auxiliary such as do verb, be verb, and have verb, and with modal auxiliary. In this auxiliary, we use and ask question or make question in English language. Otherwise, we can ask anyone or making question by the WH question. What, who, is, when, how, etc. In this way, we can ask something and answer something. and we can learn a speaking skill, and that last the listening skill. How can we skill or adapt myself in the listening skill? You learn listening skill by the to tell a story. Any other kinds of story you tell, and listening again and again. You can uh, increase your skill by the telling of any story, any environment, any sport, or any other thing you describe by in your own way. So most important, we think that skill is speaking and listening. By the dialogue and telling, completing story, we can skill up or focus in this two skill. So overall, we should practice the speaking and listening skill and develop myself, adapt or expert in English. In future, we learn, try to more and more practice and try to develop myself. So I advise to you, you follow this language skill and more emphasize the skill is speaking and listening. So I think your future and learning English in your life is very developed. Thank you, everyone.